Hi, I'm Vicky. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review a glue gun that I was given by the company on Amazon, and it looked pretty interesting because we only have one. We have a very large, sort of heavy glue gun. I mean, it's a good glue gun. It lasts forever, but I wanted to check this one out because it looked a little smaller and maybe a little easier to use. So check it out. So first I'm going to unbox this glue gun, and this is the package it came in. And so obviously it comes with the glue gun, which looks like it's a pretty good fit for my hand. I mean, it's a lot smaller than the other glue gun that I've been using. And it comes with the little purple stand and this little hinged metal stand. But I'll mostly use especially if it doesn't drip the way it says in the advertisement, I'll probably just use the little purple stand. And there's a little charging cord, just a regular USB charger. And it came with this set of glue sticks, plain and glitter, and some instructions. Though hopefully most people don't really need much instructions. I didn't see anything in there that was surprising. But it did talk about one thing you want to make sure that you do is have the glue gun off while you are charging, because otherwise it will not charge properly. So this is just a comparison to the glue sticks that I'm using in my Ryobi glue gun, which is a lot bigger, as you can see. So the Ryobi's pretty heavy, but on the other hand, it does last forever. So I'm curious to see how long the charge lasts on this smaller glue gun. And it also takes these skinny glue sticks. But I'm hopeful that, like I said, if it doesn't drip, the Ryobi definitely drips. So you see that cup I have sitting there, that's my whole catch the glue gun drip cup. We'll see how it goes. So here you can see me using it on my Christmas Sparkly Stack video. And it did not drip, so I'm pretty impressed with that. And probably for the whole sparkly stack, I used about 3 glue sticks, but I glued a lot of stuff, and it probably took me about a half hour. So the charge lasts at least a half an hour. I mean, they definitely say it's longer than that, so I'll be using it again and seeing how long it really lasts, and letting you guys know if I notice anything particularly good or bad about it in the future. So I hope you found that useful. Like I said, the glue gun seems to work pretty well. I will, if it gets really good or really bad, I'll do a follow-up video in the future, but otherwise I'm just going to keep using it.